Alright, isang Yumstastic na hapon, our Yumstastic cuties mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Welcome sa inyong DepEd Itulay online tutorial program at ito ay handog sa inyo ng ating Department of Education sa pamumuno ng Educational Technology Unit. At hayaan niyong samahan namin kayo ngayon sa makabuluhang pag-aaral ngayong hapon. Kaya naman, to all of our Yumstastic tutors, humanda at sumamang saliksikin ang hiwaga ng humanidades at agham panlipunan. Welcome sa taong panuruan 2021-2022. Ako si Tutor A at sa araw na ito, we are so excited. Ops, nako, naibigay ko na yata or na-spill ko na yata yung ating surpresa nung mabanggit ko yung we. Teka lang muna, I am so excited to introduce to you ang mga bagong tutors na makakasama natin dito sa Introduction to the Philosophy of the Human Person. But then of course, sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin sa hapon na ito, maraming pong salamat at kami ay nagagalak na kayo ay makasama. Kaya naman, wag na po nating patigilin bago nating batiin ang iba pang mga cuties, guardians, parents, and teachers na kasama natin ngayon. Let me introduce to you our new tutors for the Introduction to the Philosophy of the Human Person. And first in line, mula sa SD Nueva Ecija from Maligaya National High School, Yumstastic Cuties. Bigyan natin ng isang virtual clap si Tutor G!
Good afternoon po sa ating lahat!
Yehey! At bago ka bumati, Tutor G, sa mga kaibigan at mga estudyante at mga kagruan natin, i-welcome na rin natin ang isa pang bagong tutor na makakasama natin tuwing Huwebes ng hapon mula sa SD Nueva Ecija, Cabiao National High School at isa din naman sa tinatawag nating EdTech Specialist. Bigyan natin ng malakas na virtual clap, walang iba kundi si Tutor AIDS.
Good afternoon po sa ating lahat.
Yes naman, Tutor AIDS and Tutor G, we are very much happy, we are very much blessed for your presence and of course for your commitment dito sa ating DepEd Itulay online tutorial program. At alam ko na kayo sa mga nakaraang mga linggo ay nagkaroon na ng mga paghahanda. Kaya naman, isa lang ang nais kong itanong sa inyo bilang inyong mentor and the same time program head ng Humanities and Social Sciences dito sa ating DepEd Itulay online tutorial. Ano na nga ba yung tanong ko? Pero parang nakalimutan ko na yata. So, gaano kayo ka-excited bilang bagong online tutor sa ating DepEd Itulay for this school year? So, pwede bang marinig ko muna si Tutor G?
Well, Tutor A, I am excited. Pero at the same time, kinakabahan din because I am still new in this kind of instruction. But gusto natin na impart sa mga students ang mga kaalaman natin upang sila ay malinang. Yun Tutor A.
Wow, thank you so much, Tutor G. At gustong-gusto ko yung kasagutan mo dahil talaga namang para sa mga mag-aaral natin, lahat ng ito ay ating gagawin just to serve them the quality education. What about you, Tutor AIDS?
Hello, Tutor A. So ako, ma'am, ay very excited na maging tutor dito sa ating subject for humanities. So, Tutor A, talagang excited ako dahil kumbaga matagal na panahon akong napahinga sa pagtuturo dahil alam natin yan. So ito na yung time siguro para ma-practice uli natin. At syempre, Tutor A, gusto natin maging isa sa maging tulay sa edukasyon ng ating online tutorial na Itulay para makasagot ng or madaling masagutan ng ating mga tuties ang kanilang mga ating mga modules.
Nako, tama ka. Katulad ng sinabi ni Tutor G at ni Tutor 8 sa lahat ng mga Yumstastic tutors o tuties natin na sumusubaybay ngayon, we have been doing this and we have been working para sa platform na ito to provide quality education para sa inyo. Lalo tigit sa lahat sa pagsasagot ng kanilang mga SOAR learning modules. Alam natin na ang daming mga naging gaps due to pandemic. But then of course, we are flexible. We are adoptable. At ngayon, andito tayo ngayon joining and what to call this, helping one another through this kind of platform. So as we proceed, Tutor H and Tutor G, sige, bumati muna tayo sa lahat ng ating mga kasama. At of course, batiin din natin ang ating mga estudyante, mga kasamahang guro, at ganun din ang ating mga leaders sa kanya-kanya nating mga school station.
Ayan, Tutor A. So, Tutor G.
Okay, gusto kong pasalamatan at gusto kong kamustahin ang aking minamahal na punong guro, si Ma'am Jesusa Dibote, at ang aking mga co-teachers ng Maligaya National High School. Hello po sa inyong lahat!
Ayan, so ako naman po, gusto ko nga pasalamatan at batiin ang aking school principal from Cabiao National High School, si Ma'am Hilaria E. Calma, at ang aking assistant school principal na si Ma'am Marjorie Gutierrez, at ang aking head sa English department po na si Sir Danilo Soto, at also sa mga friends ko po, co-teachers ko sa Cabiao National High School, gayon na rin po from General Tino National High School, Santa Rita National High School, San Leonardo National High School, sa lahat po ng high school dito sa Nueva Ecija.
Yehey! At dahil dyan, susundan ko na rin ang pagbati sa aking minamahal na School Principal 4, Sir Norberto M. Calma, and Assistant School Principal 2, Madam Rizalyn B. Corpus. At kitang-kita naman sa screen natin na tayo ay nagmula lamang sa iisang division. Naku, nakakagulat. Parang nasurpresa yata ako. Biro lamang, kaya naman sa ganun diwa, binabati natin ang ating napaka-supportive at napaka-mapagmahal na SDS, walang iba kundi si Sir Jesse Denzel Ferrer. Marami pong salamat, Sir Ferrer, sa iyong pagtitiwala sa aming mga kakayahan at sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa platapormang ito na ipinagkakaloob sa atin ng Department of Education. And Tutor H, Tutor G, balita ko, marami pa yata tayong makakasama ng mga Yumstastic tutors tuwing araw ng Huwebes.
Yes.
Kaya naman, para po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa hapon ito, we want to share with you the other Yumstastic tutors who will be joining you every Thursday from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. Kaya naman, let us give you this infomercial mula po sa Humanities and Social Sciences program.
The DepEd Itulay gives you the Senior High School Humanities and Social Sciences program. Get to know your Yumstastic tutors for the exciting first semester of the academic year 2021-2022. Every Thursday from 4 to 6 p.m. Here they are. Halika na at matuto sa iyong Yumstastic tutors ngayon. Humanda at sumamang saliksikin ang hiwaga ng humanidades at agham panlipunan. Laging tandaan, ikaw ang best tuwing Huwebes.
Sa tulong ng teknolohiya at maging ng social media, paaralan ay kusang lalapit sa iyo. Sulong edukalidad, supuin maling impormasyon, katotohanan nating ituro, paunlarin.
Hello, Tutor A. Naka-mute tayo, Tutor A. Ayan.
Yes! Maraming salamat mo! And there you go, our Yumstastic tutors, guardians, parents, and fellow educators. Huwag po nating kalilimutan every Thursday from 4 o'clock to 6 p.m. Laging tandaan na ikaw ang best tuwing Huwebes. Kaya naman, Tutor G, Tutor AIDS, I believe that you are both ready para sa ating online tutorial session sa hapon na ito. Kaya naman sa ganung diwa, ako'y magpapaalam lamang at maraming salamat ngayon pa lamang sa patuloy niyong pakikibahagi sa plataformang ito upang maitulay ang kalidad na edukasyon sa ating mag-aaral. Paalam!
Paalam, Tutor A.
Paalam, Tutor A.
Ayan.
Ayan, Tutor
Ayan.
G. So,
Yes, Tutor A.
yes. So once again, Tuties, I am your Tutor Age na always excited to bring learning.
At ako naman na ulit ang inyong Humetastic, Tutor G, ang Gigil na kayo ay paglingkuran at matuto sa hapong ito.
Sa subject na philosophy, papalawigin natin ang ating kaalaman sa larangan ng filosofiya because
We learn
we create
and we think.
in philosophy. Ayan, so ang ating subject, Tutor G, is about the introduction to the philosophy of the human person.
Yes, so this is our quarter 1, week 1 entitled Doing Philosophy. Tutor
Okay, so
Ace.
before that, Tutor G, bati muna tayo sa lahat ng ating nanunood. So,
Yes, Tutor.
yes, binabati natin. Nandito si Irish, Jagonoy, Tabike. Sana tama ang aking pronunciation from 12 Gas Maligaya. I think, estudyante mo to, ma'am, ano?
Yes, estudyante ko po yan, Tutor 8.
Yes. Tutor G?
Meron din tayo si Cyrene Kahukom, 12 ABM1 from Aliaga National High School. Welcome sa inyong lahat. Ang dami po natin ngayon, Tutor 8. 90 po ang ating viewers at nadadagdagan.
Dami, kasi unang linggo natin to, ma'am. So, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood, mga tuties. Maraming salamat at huwag kayong bibitaw kasi marami tayong matututunan ngayong unang linggo natin.
At bago po ang lahat, nais nating pasalamatan ang SDO Region 3 para sa module na ating gagamitin today. Tutor AIDS?
Yes, before that, Tutor G, meron tayong mga objectives dito. So before that, we have here at the end of the session, we should be able to distinguish a holistic perspective from a partial point of view, then realize the value of doing philosophy in obtaining a broad perspective on life, and do a philosophical reflection on a concrete situation from a holistic perspective.
Yes, Tutor AIDS. Now let us have first a pre-assessment. So the directions, choose the letter of the correct answer. So write the letter of your answer in below on our chat box. Okay? Magsusulat
Yan.
po kayo sa chat box. Okay? Start na po tayo, Tutor AIDS.
Yan, so start na tayo mga tuties. So ang ating first pre-assessment question. This body of knowledge comes from the two Greek words, philo and sophia, which means love of wisdom. Is it A, anthropology, B, history, C, philosophy, D, psychology? So don't forget, tuties, to comment your answer. So sumagot na si Simon Pauline Dogodon. Sabi niya, letter C. Yan. So tuties, sagot lang tayo ng sagot. Because yung mga Tutor G, next week pala magkakaroon tayo ng tuty of the day.
Yes,
So kung sino yung
Tutor
pinaka-active
Ace.
Tutor G, ililista natin yun at ipipresent natin sa susunod na linggo. So, kaya maging active tayo lahat, mga tuties. So, ayan, sumasagot si Lorraine de Guzman, letter C. So, ano nga ba ang sagot? Tutor G? Yan. The correct answer is letter C.
C. Okay. So for number 2, this philosopher thought that of all people, a philosopher should be king. Is it letter A, Aristotle, B, Plato, C, Pythagoras, or D, Socrates? Comment down your answer below. Yan, inaantay na natin. Okay, may nagsagot letter C. Si Erwin. Sagot lang tayo para makita natin kung ano yung... Okay, marami nang sumagot. Tutor AIDS, ayan. Ano nga ba ang tamang sagot? So, ang tamang sagot, guys, ay letter B. Okay. Next.
Yan, ang gagaling ng ating mga chutis. Ito na yung pangatlong tanong, chutis. This is the branch of philosophy that studies the physical universe and the nature of ultimate reality. It is A, axiology, B, epistemology, C, logic, D, metaphysics. Sagot-sagot! Okay, so meron pa rin sumasagot, Tutor G, sa number 2. So pakilagay, chutis, ang number ng inyong sagot para alam natin. Ayan,
Yes.
si Sipon, sagot niya, Tutor G, is letter D. Si Tom, letter D. Si Earl, letter D. Ayan, so ang daming sumasagot, Tutor G, ng letter D. Ano nga ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor G? Ayan, letter D. Congratulations!
Okay, so ang next question natin ay, this is the branch of philosophy that differentiates between valid and confusing ideas. Is it letter A, axiology, B, epistemology, C, logic, or D, metaphysics? Okay, sagot-sagot na tayo sa comment section. Ayan, meron na agad nakasagot. Si Nessie Escultura, ang kanyang sagot ay letter D. Okay, maraming nagsagot ng letter D at C. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Titignan natin. Okay, ang tamang sagot ay letter C.
Talaga naman maraming salamat mga chutis. Meron ako nakita, ma'am, Tutor G. Nakita ko si Judy Abbott ay nagko-comment sa atin. So, hello, Judy Abbott. So, ito na ating number 5. He was the first to call himself a philosopher from the Greek word philosophus or love of wisdom. Is it letter A, Aristotle, B, Plato, C, Pythagoras, D, Socrates? Sagot-sagot mga chutis! Yan, so ilagay natin kung anong number ang ating sinasagutan. So sabi rito ni Christine, letter A. Tama ba yon? Letter A. Sabi ni James Ivan, it is letter C. Okay? Sige, sagot lang mga chutis. Ayan, sabi ni Ira, is letter C. May nagsagot din ng letter D. So ano ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor G?
Ang tamang sagot, tingnan nga natin, tutors.
Ayan. Ang tamang sagot ay letter C. Very good, mga chutis.
Okay, very good. Now, let's move on to our first topic. So, lesson 1, the meaning and nature of philosophy.
Yes, tama, Tutor G. So meron tayong isang tanong dito. What comes into your mind when you heard the word philosophy? Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng philosophy, Tutor G?
Okay, so what is philosophy? So the word philosophy, particularly Western philosophy, originated from two Greek words, philo, which means love, and sophia, wisdom. So love of wisdom refers to the strong desire of the human person to possess knowledge and apply it correctly, Tutor Aids.
Ayan, Tutor G. So remember, chutis, na kapag sinabing philosophy, it is love of wisdom. So ang love of wisdom at Tutor G is about possessing knowledge and apply it correctly. Remember that, chutis? Okay. So what is philosophy? Sabi dito, Tutor G, in the 6th century BCE, Pythagoras was the first to call himself a philosopher, from the Greek word philosophus or love of wisdom. He did not claim that he was wise, but by calling himself a philosopher, he was saying that he was a person who valued and cherished wisdom.
Yes, Tutor Aids. So pag sinabi ni Pythagoras na pag tinatawag mo daw yung sarili mong lover of wisdom, hindi naman niya sinasabing wise siya, pero binavalue niya at chine-cherish ang wisdom. Ayon, so siya ay isang lover of wisdom. Ayan. So we also have philosophizing. So philosophizing traces its roots to when people started asking why and tried looking for answers. So it is an attempt to logically formulate understand, and answer the essential questions that we ask, Tutor Aids.
Yan. So, ang philosophizing pala, Tutor G, ay kapag nagtanong ka ng tanong na why, bakit, kapag nag-a-ask ka ng mga sagot. So, ang simpleng pagsasagot pala ng module at pagsasagot sa recitation natin ay philosophizing na kasi gumagamit tayo ng thinking kung paano sumagot. So, everyday pala, Tutor G, ginagawa natin ang philosophizing.
Yes, Tutor Aids. So,
we have here the following philosophical questions. So the first one, what is the origin of the universe and everything that exists? Second, does God exist? If so, why is there suffering? And what is the meaning and purpose of life?
yes, Tutor Aids. So, always remember that these are difficult questions and almost impossible to answer. So these questions can only be answered by using reason as a tool wherein it can be expressed in different forms, such as the ability to reflect, ask questions, explain one's thoughts, and analyze certain experiences and phenomena. Tutor Aids.
Yes, Tutor G. So, they are the questions na hindi kaya natin sagutin, pero mahirap sagutin. Example natin dyan, ma'am, is what is the origin of the universe and everything that exists? So, napakahirap ng tanong, Tutor G. Pero, sabi nga natin, lahat ng tanong may sagot because we are philosophizing. We use philosophy to answer those following questions. Pwede tayong gumamit ng biblical answer from Bible or pwede tayong gumamit ng answer from science. So, mahirap yung tanong, but still, we can answer. So, those are philosophical question. Okay, so we have here the different big names in philosophy. We have Plato, Aristotle, and Socrates.
Yes, Tutor Aids. So we have first Socrates. So Socrates is our first major Greek philosopher. So he came up with the Socratic method. It is a way of studying problems through a question and answer technique. So his thoughts focused on morals, good and evil, and society. So he did not write a lot, but Plato, his student, recorded all his thoughts.
Ayan, so si Socrates daw po, Chutis, ay may tinatawag na Socratic method. Yung method na yun yung way niya on how to solve different problems or studying problems. Siyempre, ang ginagawa niyang batayan kung paano isosolve yung problems is about morals, what is good and what is not, and about the what is good and what is bad according to society. So, yung mga gawa pala ni Socrates, Tutor G, ay hindi na i-record. Pero, na-i-record siya or hindi niya ini-record by his own. Ini-record siya ng kanyang mga estudyante. So, ang mga nalalaman natin about Socrates ngayon is recorded by his own students.
Yes, Tutor Aids.
Okay, ang next natin, Tutor G, ay si Plato. Okay, Plato wrote about his philosophy in conversations called dialogues. And his most famous work, The Republic, this is where he expressed his thought that of all people, a philosopher should be king. Plato believed that one should not live in luxury, but instead in simplicity. He founded his own school, which is the Academy, where Aristotle became one of his students.
Yes, Tutor Aids. So si Plato po pala ay iniisip niya na ang mga philosopher should be king. Kaya, lagi niyang pinapaniwalaan na dapat yung mga philosopher hindi dapat namumuhay sa karangyaan, Tutor Aids. Dapat daw simple lang. So yung mga philosophers, simple lang sila, but they should be king. Ayan, so he also founded his own school, which is called the Academy, kung saan ang kanyang estudyante ay isang famous philosopher, also si Aristotle, Tutor Aids. Ayan, so ang next natin ay ang philosopher na si Aristotle. Okay, so Aristotle was a student of Plato but didn't always agree with his teacher. So he liked to focus more on science as one of the practical areas of philosophy. He also founded his own school called the Lyceum. So for him, reason was the highest good and that having self-control is very important.
Ayan, Tutor G. So si Aristotle pala ay
Yes.
estudyante ni Plato. So, since estudyante siya ni Plato, pero hindi sila nagkakasundo ng idea. So, parang magkasulungat yung mga idea nilang dalawa. At meron din school si Aristotle kasi nga parang gusto niya sigurong gayahin si Plato. Nagtayo siya ng isa ring school which is the Lyceum. Dito kaya ma'am nanggaling yung pangalan na tinatawag natin ngayong Academy at Lyceum, yung mga school. Dito kaya sinunod?
Parang, di ba? At
Parang,
Tutor
okay.
Aids.
Parang ma'am, di ba? And then, sabi rin niya that the highest reason or the reason was the highest good and having self-control is very important. And he used science as the basis of his philosophy. Yes, Tutor G. Well, we have here the following branches of philosophy. First one, Tutor G.
The first one is metaphysics. So metaphysics is the study of the physical universe and the nature of ultimate reality. So for example, this answers the question, what is real and what is the origin of the world? Tutor Aids.
Yes. Tama ka dyan, Tutor G. So, it is about the study of universe. Ano nga ba ang totoo? Ano ang nakikita natin sa mundo natin? Bakit may puno? Bakit may hayop? Bakit may ganito? So, lahat ng yan pinag-aaralan sa metaphysics. Next, Tutor G. Yan. So, Tutor G, pakibasa na rin.
Okay, so number 2, we have logic. So logic differentiates between valid and confusing ideas. So for example, what is good reasoning and what is not so good reasoning?
Yan, Tutor
Tutor
G.
Aids?
So, Tutor G, ang logic pala is about pag-determine natin ang mga valid idea and confusing idea. Example natin dyan, Tutor G, yung sabi natin, what is a good reasoning? So, tinitingnan natin kung ano yung tamang pagrarason or pagbibigay ng reason and ano yung mga maling reasoning. Kumbaga, mga valid and invalid reasoning. Next, Tutor G. Okay, Tutor G, ako na dito.
Okay, so
Okay.
third we have Okay,
Yes, Tutor G.
go
Okay.
Tutor Aids.
Axiology, Tutor G, is about the study of principle and values or about ethics and aesthetics. Example, Tutor G, what is goodness and what is beauty? Yes, Tutor G.
Yes, Tutor Aids. So pag sinabi nating axiology, it is the philosophical study of value. So kaya nabibilang dito yung mga tanong na ano-ano ang kabutihan? Ano nga ba ang kabutihan? At ano nga ba ang maganda? Ano ang kagandahan? So yun ang mga kinabibilangan na tanong sa philosophy na axiology. Tutor Aids. Ngayon, the last one,
Yes, Tutor
the last
G.
one the last one, Tutor Aids, is epistemology. So epistemology is considers how people come to learn what they know. So this includes questions that answers what is knowledge and what are the sources of knowledge. Tutor Aids.
Yes, Tutor G, it is the branch of philosophy that concerns about knowledge. And it focuses on the question that deals in acquiring knowledge to justify our beliefs.
Yes.
Yes. And then, Tutor G.
So let us have another activity. So this is our activity 1. So the directions are, write down P if the statement is a philosophical question and NP if the statement is non-philosophical. Okay, so isusulat nyo guys, i-comment nyo sa chat box ang P kung philosophical question at NP kung non-philosophical yung questions. So let's have number 1, Tutor Aids.
Okay, number 1, Tutor G. What is the meaning of life? Is it P or philosophical question or NP, which is non-philosophical question? Comment down your answer, letter P or NP only, Chutis. Ayan, so ma'am,
or
nakikita
NP.
ko ang inyong mga estudyante from Aliaga National High School. Ayan, maraming taga-Aliaga at nanonood sa atin. Ayan, Tutor G, may nagko-comment na. Si Rustom Velasco, Gian, Joseph, Jen, Kit, Kaha, letter P daw. So ano ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor G? Yan, ang tamang sagot ay letter P.
Yes, Tutor AIDS.
Yes.
So number 2, we have, where can you find Mount Native? So is it a philosophical or non-philosophical question? N or NP or P? Okay, sagutin na natin sa comment section. NP or P? Ayan, may sumagot na. May sumasagot pa, Tutor Aid, sa number 1. Pero ayan, marami na rin ang sumasagot ng number 2. So, NP, meron din P. Ayan, puro NP. Okay, tingnan po natin kung ano yung tamang sagot. So, ang tamang sagot ay NP, non-philosophical question. Okay, number 3.
Ayan, number 3, Tutor G, ay how many cups of rice can you eat? Ayan, how many cups of rice nga ba ang kaya natin kainin? Pakisagot lamang po. Okay, comment din natin yung number and then yung ating sagot para alam namin ni Tutor G kung ano yung inyong sinasagutan. Ayan, so andyan, may sumagot na, Tutor G. Si Simon, si Kit Ashley Kaha, si Ira Bantakulo. Tama po ba ang aking mga kakuan? Ang sagot niya ay NP. Ang sagot nila ay NP. Ano nga ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor G? Ayan.
Ang tamang sagot ay NP. Okay. Now we have number 4. What happens after death? Now, what happens after death? Is it P or NP? Let's write our comments on the comment section. Ayan, Tutor Aids, may mga nagsasagot na, no? Ayan, P, NP, O. Mayroon, marami tayong sagot na P at NP. So ano nga ba ang tamang sagot? Ang tamang sagot ay letter P. Okay, so last question.
Okay, last question natin, Tutor G. Ayan, ito ang mahalagang tanong, what is love? Okay, Chuti, alam kong alam na alam niyo yan. Is it P or NP? Comment the number and the answer. Ayan, ang mga sumasagot pa ay number 4 pa lang ang sinasagutan natin mga Chuti. Ayan, meron na ako nakita, si Kit Kaha. Sabi niya P. Si Simon, letter P. Ayan, Joseph, P. Ayan, napakadaming sumasagot at nagpa-participate. Maraming salamat mga Chuti sa participation ninyo. Ano nga ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor G?
Ang tamang sagot, Tutor Aids, ay letter P.
Ayan, so I think ako na yung susunod, Tutor G. Okay, so our lesson 2 is about the meaning and the process of doing philosophy. So, Tutor G.
So, we have here philosophical reflection. So, have you had an experience wherein you are seriously thinking of your past experiences before making any major decision or related action, Tutor Aids?
Actually, Tutor G, yes. Yeah. Because yung mga experience natin is nakaka-apekto yan sa pagde-decide natin. Example, Tutor G, nagkaroon na ako ng love life. Pero nasaktan ako, Tutor G. Kaya magdadalawang isip uli ako kung papasok ba uli ako sa relasyon kasi naranasan ko na, may experience na ako. So, yung way pala na yun, Tutor G, is gumagamit tayo ng philosophical reflection in making major decision in our life.
Yes, Tutor Aids. So, that is philosophical reflection. Okay.
Yes. Then next, Tutor G, is about doing philosophy. Doing philosophy is when we are doing philosophical reflection and we are engaged in finding ways or methodologies to eliminate any practical problem or abstract idea. We are already doing philosophy.
Yes, tutor aid. So katulad nga ng sinabi mo kanina sa example natin, nung sinabi mong magjojowa pa ba ako o hindi na. So nagbigay ka ng mga iba't ibang reason na iyong winay kung gagawin mo pa ba o hindi na. So that is doing philosophy. Napapaisip ka na kung ano yung tama o mali or kung anong gagawin mo o hindi mo gagawin, tutor aids. So next we have here doing philosophy. Under it is we have the holistic point of view and the partial point of view. Okay, pag sinabi nating holistic point of view, it is when we look at all aspects of the situation, of the given problem or situation, then all aspects are given importance when making conclusions. Also, when all aspects are tied in together to form a general overview of the problem or situation. So, pag sinabi naman nating partial point of view, it looks only at a limited number of aspects of the given problem or situation, tutor aids, and the conclusions are made based on considering some but not all sides of the problem or situation.
Ayan, Tutor G. So dalawa pala ang parang pinaka ginagamit natin when we are doing philosophy. Meron tayong holistic and partial. Pag sinabi natin holistic, Tutor G, marami tayong pinagkukunan ng source of answer. Okay? Pagdating naman natin sa partial point of view, parang nag-i-eliminate na tayo ng mga sources at pinipili na lamang natin yung mga gusto nating pakinggan at gusto nating mga impormasyon na malaman. So yun ang pagkakaiba ng holistic at partial point of view.
Yes, tutor aids.
And then we have different examples. Ito pala yung mga example, Tutor G. Example ng holistic point of view. We have here, using different source of information in doing your research, listening to both your teachers and parents' advice on what course to take in college. Next one is not judging people by what we see on social media, but instead learning to know them better. So partial point of view naman, Tutor G, is by using only one source of information in doing your research, listening only to your friends' advice on what course to take in college, and the last one, judging the character of people we know just by merely looking at their Facebook posts.
Yes, thank you for the examples, tutor aids. Now let us have another activity. Okay, so the directions are, identify if the statement is a HP or yung holistic point of view or a PP or the partial point of view. Okay, so write or comment your answers in the chat box, in the comment section, okay? Let's have number 1.
Yan, Tutor G, ang number 1 natin. Conclusions are made based on considering some but not all sides of the problem or situation. Paki-comment yung number at yung sagot nyo, whether it is HP, holistic point of view, or PP, partial point of view. Chutis, sagot na tayo! Maraming salamat sa mga chutis na tumututok at hindi bumibitaw.
Yes, tutor aids.
Madami tayong viewers ngayon.
Salamat sa lahat.
Ayan, number
Ayan.
1, sabi ni Kit, it's PP. Simon Dogodon, PP. Altea Natividad, PP. Ayan, ang sagot nila, Tutor G ay PP or partial point of view. Ayan, tama, partial point of view.
Okay, very good, guys. Okay, very good, cuties. Okay, let's have number 2. Number 2 says, looks at all aspects of the given problem or situation. Is it a PP or HP? Paki-comment down below ang inyong answer. Number 2, is it PP or HP? Okay? Ayan. Oh, ang dami na. May mga pumapasok pa rin tayong mga bagong viewers. Salamat mga cuties. Ayan, may mga sumagot na. PP. Okay, meron din nag-answer ng HP, si Jen Ausa, si Ariane Patrice Cumbe, HP din ang sagot. Ayan, marami na silang sumasagot ngayon ng HP. Tingnan nga natin, tutor aids, kung tama sila. Ayan, very good, guys. Very good, cuties. Your answer, the answer is HP. Okay.
Okay, next question, Tutor G is number 3. All aspects are given importance when making conclusions. Okay, comment the number and your answer, Chutis. Ayan, may mga sumasagot pa rin, Tutor G, sa number 2. Pero
Yes,
hintayin natin.
Yes.
Tulad dito si
Tutor
Inday,
A.
sinagot niya yung number 1 and number 2. Ayan, si Kit ka. Ayan, masusugid nating taga-comment. Si Judy Abot, nakita ko
Yes.
uli. HP ang kanilang sagot. Ano nga ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor G? Yan, ang tamang sagot, Chutis, ay HP.
Okay, for number 4. All aspects are tied in together to form a general overview of the problem or situation. Okay? Is it a P or an HP? Comment your answers. Ayan. Tutor Ace, marami pa rin po tayong nag-answer ng number 3. Ayan o, masusugid nating mga tuties. Sina Bea May, sina Inday, hello sa inyo guys. Salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at pagtutok sa atin. Ayan, may nagsagot na po ng ating number 4, si Christian Reyes. Okay, HP, si Joaiko. Tama ba? Joaiko? HP, Jen, HP. Okay, ano po ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor AIDS? Okay, ang tamang sagot, Tutor AIDS, ay HP. Very good, Tuties.
Okay, last question, Chutis. Number 5. Look only at the limited number of aspects of the given problem or situation. It is PP or HP. Sagot na mga Chutis. Okay, number 5 po tayo. Ayan, may sumagot na si Jen Ausa. Sorry kung di ko na po pronounce ang inyong pangalan ha. PP ang kanyang sagot. Then si Kit, si Ira, PP ang sagot. Ano nga ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor G?
Ayan, ano po ba ang tamang sagot?
Ang tamang sagot ay PP. Congratulations sa lahat ng ating mga Chutis na sumagot.
Okay, Tutor A, so let us wrap up with this quote from Camille Pizarro. So, blessed are those who see beautiful things in humble places where other people see nothing. Okay.
Again, Tutor G, narito ang mga bumubuo ng Senior High School Humanities and Social Sciences.
Yes, Tutor AIDS. And Chutis, lagi po tayong sumubaybay tuwing alas 4 ng hapon para sa Philosophy of the Human Person.